3 feet to the left too, and then he'd be in the exhaust to the back.
How to stay warm in Keflavik, huh?
Yeah. I wonder where that is.
No.
It looks like.
Ukrainian cargo airline. And somebody's private jet.
Pilot 319 LX. Is that Luxembourg or something else?
Either private something. Lots of private jets. You didn't want us parking by all the private jets, did you?
We couldn't get a pushback for you guys, so...
That changed. Alright, we're in a climb from 28,000 to 38,000. Got our winds up in the upper left. I want to see how much that changes. I want to see how much it changes in terms of our estimated fuel. Our estimated fuel on board was 3.5. It's estimating that I gained another 1,000. Well, we climbed